In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Drive file public. Whether you're sharing your vacation photos with family or a big project with the team, learning how to make a file public on Google Drive can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and make sure you're set up for success. First, start by heading over to Google Drive. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing Google Drive into your search bar. Once you see the results, click on the link that will take you to Google Drive. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Select the correct account, the one that contains the files you wish to share. Now that you're in your Google Drive, navigate to the file you want to make public. This is where it gets important to pay attention as we're moving into the specifics. Position your mouse over the file you want, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots will appear. This, my friends, is your options menu for that specific file. Give it a click. Once you've clicked those dots, you'll see a variety of actions you can take. What we're interested in today is sharing, so go ahead and click on Share. This will open up the sharing settings window, which provides all the options you need to configure file access. In the sharing settings, you'll likely see that your file is set to Restricted. This means that only people you've explicitly granted access to can view it. Our goal is to change that. So click on Restricted. You'll then have a drop-down menu with more options. Switch the settings from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This is the magic step that makes your file public. By doing this, literally anyone who has the link can access your file without needing any specific permissions or needing to be logged into Google. It's a powerful option, but also one to use carefully. Now that your file's accessibility is set, you'll want to make sure you can share this publicly. Look for the Copy Link button and click on it. This will copy the shareable link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need, maybe into an email, a chat, or on social media. Finally, after you've copied the link, make sure to click on Done. This confirms all the changes you've just made and closes out the sharing settings. Congratulations, your file is now public, and you've got the link ready to share widely. Remember, changing file permissions is a great responsibility, so always be mindful about what you make public. Keep this tutorial handy for the next time you need to quickly share something from your Google Drive. Thanks for joining.